Looking for the most affordable single detached house and lot inside New Valley? Stay tuned, this video certainly is for you. This is your reliable host, Maki Olegario, and welcome back to another house tour episode only here on Dream Homes 101. I get that you guys liked the Erin episode last time, and I really do appreciate that. And today, here we are again for another house tour episode inside Southdale Settings, New Valley, of one of the most stately, beautiful house and lot here inside Southdale Settings, New Valley. So without any unnecessary delays, let's get started. If you would notice, friends, every time I would do a house tour, I would give you a glimpse of the updates and developments or what's going on inside New Valley. I do that dahil I want to give an emphasis lang kung gaano kabilis at kaganda trumabaho si Ayala. Isa ring dahilan kung bakit hanggang ngayon, #1 po tayong developer sa buong Pilipinas. And yung mga designs and developments natin are recognized even across the globe. Something that we could really be proud of as Filipinos. And inside New Valley, we have malls and shopping centers like Landers, SNR, na naka-solar na din, grabe, dahil we promote really sustainability. So sa North, we have the Ayala Malls, Soledad 1, 2, 3, and ongoing construction na yung Soledad 4 natin. And yan, patapos na din siya talaga, grabe, ang bilis. We also have Techno Hub na dito magiging IT hub natin at ng mga BPO industry natin in the future. Surely, magpapataas to ng market value appreciation ng New Valley. Pasyalan naman when it comes sa mga pasyalan natin. We have here the man-made lake natin na in New Valley North alone, we cater 60,000 tourists a day dahil may mga international events din tayo na ginaganap dito. We also have here in the North the East Block, the Lakeside Evo Zone, and the North CBD or Central Business District inside New Valley. Na ito yung magiging, pag pinagsama-sama, magiging BGC natin inside New Valley. Now in Central Block, possible patapos na sa last quarter ng 2025 natin yung binabanggit ko last time na Mary Mart natin and the shops here. At almost done na din yung buong development plan dito. As I said before sa previous video ko, this is going to be at the resemblance of Camp John Hay in Baguio. And also dito naman along New Valley Boulevard is adjacent or nakahiga along New Valley Hard yung Rockwell South natin. Though other developer siya, pero dikit lang siya kay New Valley. Kung saan, ang house and lots natin diyan ay nagre-range from 40 million to 50 million. So imagine, kapag ka nagkaroon ka ng piece of New Valley, here, you'll definitely have a community like this. Dito naman sa South, nakaka-excite lang. Yung nasa harap natin ay 10 hectares na Alfresco Mall. So, we also have here the 31 hectares na activation area natin na dyan pwede kang mag-bike dahil meron tayo dyang bike trail, pwede kang magtanim dyan dahil magkakaroon din tayo dyan ng space para sa sa mga gardening natin na para siyang botanical garden sa Baguio, kung saan magiging pasyalan din natin and shopping center natin in the future. And bali-balita, magkakaroon daw sa loob ng New Valley ng 2 hectares na civic complex dedicated sa mga government establishments like Di mo na kailangan lumabas ng New Valley para mag-register sa BIR, SSS, and all. Dahil sa New Valley in partnership with Santa Rosa, bring convenience to our community dito inside New Valley. This is really something to look forward to. To give you an idea, Southdale Settings New Valley is our mid to upscale subdivision. 21 hectares in size siya. It was launched last 2021 and target completion niya is last quarter of 2026, next year. 55% dito is dedicated for residential spaces and 45% is for open spaces. When talking about open spaces, this is what I'm talking about. To give you an idea of the specification of Macy unit or model, this sits at 128 square meters minimum lot area. Ang floor area niya is 67 square meters. It also has a 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet and baths. So kung makikita natin, we have here the generous space and the actual deliverable para sa carport natin. So kung pag susunurin mo, pwede pa dyan, kasya pa dyan 2 kotse, for sure. And before dun sa property line mo, we also have easement, just like from the house tour before. So dyan, pwede ka pang pwedeng maglaro yung mga anak mo, malayo pa dun sa road. Malaki pa yung space. So pasukin naman natin yung loob ng model. Wow! Sobrang lawak ng space. So nandito na tayo sa loob ng Macy model na house and lot natin inside Southdale Settings Subdivision. So the good thing about this is that pagbukas mo ng pinto, marirealize mo agad na solid yung door natin na ginamit rito. So pagpasok mo, you will be greeted with this sobrang laking space right here. So kung makikita natin dito, sobrang laki ng space, pwede kang maglagay ng living area mo rito. And we have here the windows. And if you will notice, we have multiple windows. We take the opportunity to invite natural light, yung air circulation. So well ventilated na rin siya dahil sa mga windows natin. And dito, alright, so dito, pwede mong ilagay yung dining area mo kasi kaharap niya is sliding door. So makikita mo yung view outside. Sobrang ganda ng view outside. And depende sa'yo kung paano mo pagagandahin or i-improve pa yung dining area mo. Pero mamaya makikita natin sa dress-up unit kung paano siya dinesign para makakuha kayo ng idea. What else? We have here the GFCI outlets. Kung saan, kapag nabasa siya, automatically mamamatay na agad siya. So, very safe. So, we have here the kitchen sink and we also have here the actual deliverable. So, ito na yung makukuha mo once ma-turn over yung property natin dito. So, we also have here the windows because we promote yung pag-invite ng natural light and yung karoon tayo ng opportunity for air ventilation. So here sa space na to, pwede pa yan maging mini office or study space para sa mga student. And we also have here the toilet and baths. So makikita nyo, yan na yung actual deliverable natin. Very generous yung space niya. Depende sa'yo kung paano mo siya i-improve. Pero sobrang ganda niya at lawak, grabe. So tara, akyat tayo sa taas. Tingnan natin kung ano pa yung pwede nating makita sa taas. Tara, akyatin natin yung taas. So dito sa taas, bubungaran tayo ng generous space na din and yung common toilet and bath natin. Also, yung actual deliverables natin. Sobrang lawak nito, depende na lang talaga siya kung paano mo siya mas i-improve pa at pagagandahin. So pasukin natin yung first room. So sa first room natin, makikita natin meron na namang multiple windows. So it adds up, no? It adds up doon sa pag-invite doon sa natural light. Dito, pwede kang maglagay ng mga baseboards kung ikaw gusto mo maprotektahan yung walls and to add up doon sa decorative touch para mas ma-improve pa yung look ng room natin. Depende sa'yo kung ano yung improvement na gagawin mo. Sa labas tayo, pasukin natin yung kabilang room. So here, wow, sobrang generous din ng space. Sobrang laki rin. And we also have here the provision. Ito yung actual na provision natin. Kapag na-turn over yung unit mo, we have here the window types of aircon provision. And also, meron tayong malaking window dyan. So it doesn't just add up it doesn't just invite the entry of natural light, but it also gives the occupants an opportunity to to enjoy the view of locality. So labas tayo and pasukin natin yung master's bedroom. Tingnan natin. Pagpasok natin dito sa master's bedroom, hindi agad-agad yung generous space na maluwag ang makikita mo dahil meron pang mga 1 metro mahigit bago ka makapunta sa mismong master's bedroom. So here, syempre as usual, we also have here the windows, the windows type aircon provision, and the GFCI outlet. And the good thing about this, sa space niya na to, for sure, talagang mas ma-enjoy mo yung pag-decorate ng house mo. Depende doon sa style mo, ng design mo for improvements. And yung ibang clients namin, nilalagyan nila ng baseboard to protect the walls and also to add yung decorative touch nga as I mentioned earlier dito sa room. Aesthetic lang. So right now, nandito na tayo sa dressed up unit ni Macy model here of house and lot natin. Sobrang ganda. Ito yung facade niya. Very stylish. Sobrang ganda ng kulay din niya. It blends well with nature. So welcome to your new home. So nandito ako ngayon sa Macy model natin. Ito yung dressed up unit niya. So pagpasok mo ng pinto, we have here the very generous space na ito yung design niya, tulad ng binabanggit ko kanina. Makikita natin, nilagyan niya ng mga painting, mga portraits dyan. Pwede mong ilagay dyan yung family picture ninyo. And dito, pwede kayong magbasa ng libro, manood ng Netflix together with your family. Nakakatuwa and very, very enjoyable ang living area nito. Grabe, sobrang ganda, very aesthetic. So as we walk through right here, we have here the dining area. So dito, syempre tayo mga Filipino, we enjoy yung pakikipag-usap sa family natin as we eat. So dito, hindi mo lang may enjoy yung pagkain with your family, but also yung space nyo together. And nakakatuwa dahil we also have here the sliding door kung saan cross-ventilated na rin siya. It invites natural light. What else? So we have here the kitchen area. So ikaw, kapag mahilig ka magluto, ito yung design. Kung gusto mo, yung ganitong design, sobrang ganda. Very aesthetic. And pwede ka dito maghiwa, pwede ka dito magluto, ilagay mo rito yung lutuan mo. And the good thing about this is meron na rin tayong upper cabinet, pwede mong paglagyan ng mga groceries mo. And dito, nilagyan niya ng refrigerator kasi very generous din yung space niya. And we also have here the other upper cabinet. And sa back door natin, puntahan natin yung back door. Dito, we also have here the pinaka-backyard natin. So sa back door natin, ito yung bubungad sa atin. Very generous din yung space. And the good thing about this, kapag mahilig ka mag-ihaw, pwede ka mag-ihaw dito. Very generous pa yung space niya. At pwede ka rin gawin yung laundry mo rito. Dahil meron naman tayong GFCI also here na pwedeng saksakan. So lakad lang ng konti, meron ditong space pa. Napakaluwag pa ng space na pwede mong paglagyan ng upuan, lamesa, at pwede ka rito mag-relax at ma-enjoy yung hangin with nature. So balik tayo sa loob, right? Ayan, pagbalik natin, lakad tayo. At makikita natin dito, wow, ang ganda. Kasi under the stairs niya, nilagyan pa natin dito ng parang lalagyanan ng mga libro or mga trophies. Kung ikaw mahilig ka sa sports and competitors ka sa lahat ng bagay, pag may certification ka, pwede mo itong gawing lalagyanan and ng mga trophies and certifications mo. Even bookshelves pwede. Ganda. Sobrang ganda ng ginawa niya rito. And yung space, actually, pwede pang lagyan ng mini office. And what else? We also have here the toilet and bath. Ito yung first toilet and bath natin dito sa baba. Very generous yung space. And ang maganda, ginawa niya rito ay May salamin dito, ilagay niya ng salamin. And also, andyan pa yung mga other improvements natin. So, ang ganda, sobrang ganda ng pagkakagawa. Tara, let's go upstairs. Silipin naman natin yung taas. So, dito yung hagdan, sobrang lawak. Very generous yung space. Kasya 2 tao kapag magsalubungan. Okay na okay pa siya. Tara, akitin natin. So, dito sa taas, we have here the common toilet and bath natin. Ito yung second toilet and bath natin. Kung makikita nyo, apakaganda ng pagkakadesign niya rito. Ito yung actual na improvements niya. And what else? On the stairs part, sobrang high ng ceiling niya. So, pwede ka pa maglagay ng chandelier dyan. Grabe, ang ganda. So, ito yung first room natin, bedroom natin. So, kung makikita nyo, sobrang ganda ng pagkakadesign din dito. We also have here yung binabanggit kong baseboard kaganina. And nilagyan niya ng cabinet dito. I think this bedroom is for a girl, bata na babae. Kasi sobrang ganda ng pagka-design niya for a kid. May enjoy niya talaga. Parang Barbie-like yung color. And what else? So, sa second room, pasok tayo. Pasukin naman natin yung second room. Okay, nandito naman tayo sa second bedroom. So, kung makikita natin, we have here the actual improvements. Sobrang ganda ng pagkakagawa niya, pagkakadesign niya. Bakit? Kasi dito, nilagyan niya ng cabinet na may salamin. Sobrang ganda, generous ng space, sobrang lawak. And yung bata na nagkakwarto siguro dito ay mahilig sa mga pirates or sa mga barko ng pirates kasi meron tayong mga gamit ng mga barko dito ng pirates. Pasukin naman natin yung master's bedroom. So dito on the right side, ito yung master's bedroom natin. Wow. Grabe ang laki ng master's bedroom. Very aesthetic, yung kulay nagbe-blend. Yung kulay nagbe-blend talaga ng maayos. And sobrang laki, queen size bed na siguro ito. Sobrang laki niya, grabe. So as for a master's bedroom, very generous yung space niya. And we also have here as well the windows to invite or to facilitate the entry of natural light. For more details about reservation, buying your new home, and inquiry about condominiums and lots, don't shy away to ask or inquire on my personal number, which is 0997-2650-593. Also, with my Viber and WhatsApp that would be flashed on the screen. That's it for today. Thank you for joining me to this house tour episode. I hope you enjoy it, and please consider subscribing, like, and share. Again, this is your host, Maki Olegario of Dream Homes 101, where dreams become a reality, one home at a time.